Hello guys, so today's video is going to be all about my go-to hairstyles. To be honest, I'm a lazy bitch when it comes to doing my hair. Like, I'll spend hours doing my makeup, but when it comes to my hair, literally like the max time that I'll spend is like 20 minutes. I thought it'd be pretty cool to just sit down and show you guys like my go-to hairstyles. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Obviously, one of my go-to hairstyles is just having my hair straight down. What I always do is I just like take the front of my hair and I kind of just tuck it behind my ears. I'll usually just like pin it down and it'll stay. And I just like to do this because usually when I have my hair down and I wear like huge lashes like this, my hair will kind of weigh my lashes down. Then they'll look kind of stupid. I'll be like looking like this and shit, you know.
Like, my lashes gotta be on fleek, bitch.
Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now there's also times where I feel like wearing hair extensions. So my hair is not the longest, it's kind of like a medium length. It kind of stops where my boobs are, like above my boobs. So now for the days that I want a little bit more volume in my hair, a little bit more thickness, length, I do go in with some hair extensions. So the hair extensions that I use on my head are these right here. Honestly, they are so thick, and they're thick from the top all the way through the hair. Like, these are the ends, and you can tell like just how much of a high quality hair extension this is. It's so nice, it's so silky. Some hair extensions that I have purchased in the past were pretty thick, like from the top, and then when it got to the bottom they were like super thin and like tapered, and I really didn't like how that looked because it makes your hair look kind of dead, kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like. And I've owned these for almost a year. Like, it's been a few months, it's almost been a year since I've owned these. They are beautiful and they've lasted me so long, and these literally, they don't even shed. So I'm gonna put these in my hair for you guys to see the difference, but first I want to talk about the wefts, like how much hair it comes with. So the set that I have is the Royal Remy set in the color Jet Black. It comes with 5 pieces of the 2-clip wefts, and alone, look at how much hair this is just with 5 wefts. And you guys, you get so much freaking hair with this set. It's so thick and voluminous, it's crazy. I don't even use the whole set in my hair, and my hair is pretty thick. I can't even fit all the clips in my hair. Honestly, if I would have known, I would have probably gone with the 200-gram hair, because the 260 grams, it's like, it's so pretty, but it's so much hair that I don't even use some of the clips. And it comes with 2 of the 3-clip pieces, and then it also includes 2 of the 1-clip pieces, which these are great for like putting on the sides, like really close to the front on these sides, to help blend in your real hair with the extensions. And then it comes with this piece right here, which is like crazy to me because it's so thick. It has 4 clips on it, and this is the thickest piece in the set. It really is thick, like thick, T-H-I-C-C, thick. And I believe that they do have this piece alone on the site, which is perfect for just adding volume. Like, if you already have the length and you just want to add a little bit more volume to your hair, this is perfect. So if you're interested in these hair extensions, they're going to be having a Valentine's Day sale coming up pretty soon. I believe they're having up to 35% off, and I will leave a link down below if that's something that you're interested in. If not, I do have a code that they gave me for you guys to save money on the hair extensions, and this code you can use whenever. You guys can go ahead and use that code if you want, and I won't be making any commission off of it or anything. It's just for you guys to save some money. So for the days that I want to look like a fucking doll and I'm feeling a little bit more snazzy, I put these hair extensions in. Alright, so what I do is I literally just, I start off, so I start on the crown, around the crown of my head, and I just grab this, and I'm just gonna grab this, and then I'm just gonna take a hair tie and just do a little chongo really quick. A little fucking chongo. So with the top of my hair, I like to take the 2-clip, the ones that have 2 clips on them, because it's just easier. And usually when I'm gonna wear my hair out, then I'll like tease the root of my hair, so just to ensure that the clip really like stays in my hair. And then I'm just gonna pretty much repeat the same process all around my head. So then now I'm just sectioning off more hair, and I'm taking that area where I took the hair and I'm gonna put it up in the bun too. I like parted it through the middle of my head. So like on this area is where I like to take that thick hair piece, and I like to install it in that spot. So for this part, I do always tease my hair because it's kind of heavy. I usually tease my hair from the back, and then I will clip it. I'll clip it in like this. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know, I don't even know if I'm in focus. I don't know if I'm in the little frame, but that's pretty much what I do. And right here I'll take another 2 clip, right? And then I just like kind of install that in there. I place that in there just to help it blend a little bit more. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, before you actually put your hair extensions in, it's best to detangle your hair. Just have it ready. So I just let go of the rest of the hair. Usually when I put my hair in, I will tuck the front of my hair behind my ears just because of my lashes, mainly because of my eyelashes. So I feel kind of like I need to blend more of the front. So then I go again and I split off some hair. So then here I'm gonna go in with the 1 clip pieces, and I'm just gonna put those on the top of my head. Just helps blend everything a lot better. I'm wearing a black shirt, so it kind of makes it hard to see, but my hair is just so much thicker. But this is what my hair looks like with the hair extensions. I forgot to mention that I did cut off 2 inches from the ends. So I originally got them 20 inches long. So that's how my hair looks with the extensions in my hair. So a lot of the time when I do have my hair extensions in, I will want to do like a cute little simple hairstyle. So what I do usually is I'll take out like the top clips that I put in. So I like to make sure that the top part of my hair is free for this part. Okay, so I don't have a black hair tie with me, but I do have a little rubber band. Okay guys, so this look right here is super simple, super easy, and super cute to do. I like to do this when I don't want to wear my hair down, but I don't want to like take time doing my hair.